So it's an FG turbo in today, a few different things, but tuning's one of them. Often we will check over things before we actually start tuning them, just so they don't bite us when it's on the dyno, and this is one of those times that we're glad we did. It had a silicone, what could be called as a reducer, so it's actually been double siliconed to go from the 3-inch pipe down to the 2.5-inch, which is an absolute disaster in a boosted application. These will always fall off, especially bad on an FG in that location, because normally that pipe will blow off and actually smash the bonnet. So yeah, definitely get yourself a reducer. These are pretty easy to get these days at any Bursons, Repco, Super Cheap, things like that. And then yeah, it'll actually fit correctly and you don't have pipes blowing off. So just carrying on with the checks on this one as well, and the silicone all looks okay on the front, but jumping around to the rear and it looks pretty bad there. So yeah, this is another one of those reasons why a lot of workshops don't like it when the customers fit all their own parts, because there's a hell of a lot of time involved in and checking everything. And when the pipes all keep blowing off on the dyno, definitely adds a lot of extra time to the tuning process.